Now I'm having this problem each and every time my time is wrong, and this is because of the wrong time zone. Each time I open my computer, I'll find that the time has changed. But the problem is, even if I go and change the time zone under date and time settings, it will still go back to the wrong time zone. I'm not even in Beijing, but my time zone is by default set to Beijing. And the problem is I can't change it because the time zone is grayed and I can't switch this to my location. So I've tried to change the time zone using this add clock for different time zone, but whenever I change it to my zone, it will still again go back to this time zone on a new restart of the computer. So if you're facing this challenge, let me show you how you can solve this problem and also have now your time zone set automatically by turning on this set time zone automatically on. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now to get started, all you need to do is to go to settings, and this will open all the settings option on your computer. Now from here, tap on privacy, and then on the left bar, look for location. So under location, look for the option called allow access to location on this device. So go ahead and tap on it and then toggle on. So once you've toggled on, you can see now we have this option called allow apps to access your location is active, and now you can toggle it on. So go ahead and turn this on. And now we have allowed apps to access our location. Now from here, let's go ahead and now search for time and date. So I'll search for time and date setting. Here they are. And now you can see set time zone automatically has been turned on. And immediately the computer went ahead and detected. And now you can see it is no longer Beijing, but the location where I am. And now the time on my computer is correct according to my location. So that's how you set your computer to detect your time zone automatically on your computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.